How to change Siri's name on iPhone. Let's get started. While Siri is a great virtual assistant on iPhone, you might be curious about customizing Siri by changing its name. However, Apple does not currently allow users to directly change Siri's name or give it a personalized one. Although you can rename Siri to something else, you can still customize its voice, accent, and even the language Siri speaks. Launch your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of Siri and search. Now from here you can easily change the Siri's voice and accent. Click on the option of Siri voice. Now select any of it. You can use American accent, Australian accent, British or Indian, Irish, like a South African. Then you can also choose the voice. Once you do that, you can head back. Now I can select the language. Click on the option of language. In this page, you're gonna find tons of language options. Select any of it. Head back. Likewise, you can also customize other settings for Siri and search. If in the future Siri comes up with this feature, I'm gonna definitely update you guys. But as of right now, you can customize these settings only for the Siri. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.